All right, guys, I wanted to jump on here and just give you like a 3-minute quick demo of DropFunnels. It's built on the WordPress platform. It's a slimmed down version of WordPress. You don't need to worry about hosting. You don't need to worry about plugins. You don't need to worry about WordPress maintenance. It's hosted on one of the fastest platforms in the world. Some, like Virgin Atlantic and some other huge corporations are on the same technology. So I'm just going to show you really quick just the funnel piece. So inside the marketing tab here up in the top left, just take note of the speed. It's super fast. There's almost no lag time. Of course, it depends on your internet connection as well. So I'm going to come in here to the funnels where you're going to have unlimited funnels. So here I'm starting to create one already. I'm going to create a new one just for this demo purpose. So I'm going to create a demo here. It's going to put your slug down here as well. So let's just name this demo funnel, and it's going to create the page for me. So here is the funnel, and this is where we're going to add pages. So we have the funnel flow here. This is where all the pages are going to be. We have tracking codes where we can put in, like Google Analytics, your Pixel, whatever you need to. Payment integration, so we'll add Stripe. There'll be some additional integrations down the road. Your stats to the funnel pages. Email confirmations, and some additional settings with a share funnel URL similar to what ClickFunnels had. So I'm going to create a opt-in page here just to show you how quick this is. So I'm going to submit the page here. It's going to build a opt-in page for me, and then I want to create probably let's do a video sales page. If I can spell right. Oh well, this is just a demo. And then let's say confirmation page or thank you page, whatever you want to call it. So the cool thing here is that you can drag and drop these wherever you need to. Change them around. Simple, simple, simple. Let's go into the opt-in page here and edit. Just to show you the speed here. Super fast load times. So the cool thing here is these are all the elements that you can build with. There's content, ton of different content modules. This can be a little bit overwhelming at first, so it's going to take a little bit getting used to. I'm actually working with Jordan, the creator of DropFunnels, to put together some training, whether it be a course or it's going to be documentation, but we're going to get you up and running as fast as possible. The cool thing here is you can put a checkout form, an upsell, downsell on any page. So all you need to do is just drag and drop this out there. Obviously, you're going to need to build your page out a little bit. There's not much to it right now, but you'll get the idea. So I go back to modules here, and if I want to put let's say business hours here. So it's just a simple drag and drop editor, which many of you might be familiar with. So there's a lot of pre-built modules. It's super fast. As you can see here, I'm going to save this draft. It's going to go back to the home page. Just super fast load times. If I want to go back to my sites here and go back to the dashboard, there we go. So you can gather your leads. Your leads will be in here from your funnels. You can select, which funnel that your leads came from. Your sales, this is where you add your products, different integrations, and a custom link tracker that, if you guys are doing affiliate marketing, you can keep your links all in one spot. So that is just a quick rundown. Over here on the left is your navigation. There's built-in SEO, with schemas and everything you need to get set up. And it's not live yet, but once it's live, you guys can honestly launch your website in under 2 minutes. It builds your site for you, secured with SSL certificates and everything. It launches on a subdomain, so it's going to be yourdomain.dropfunnels.com, but you'll be able to point to your custom domain as well, which is super easy to set up. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick demo. This is what the interface looks like. It's going to be super slick, unlimited funnels. You guys need to join the core in order to get unlimited funnels, unlimited access to the highest tier plan, which could potentially be almost triple the cost right now. So if you guys are serious about building your online business and you don't want to deal with all the tech headaches in 2020, this is honestly going to be a game changer, guys. Hope to see you on the inside. I'm going to leave a link to my core link, a link to the core down below. I am a member of the core. It is my affiliate link. And I also provide you guys with any funnels that I build in 2020. I will be sharing with you and inside the core. So you guys are going to get access to all my funnels. I'm going to start building templates out for DropFunnels for other people to use. So you're going to get access to all my funnels. So I hope to see you guys on the inside in the core. And I look forward to 2020, guys. It's going to be amazing.